guys, welcome back to our channel. Keyondra here of JolieNoire. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're an oldie but goodie, we love y'all so much. Go ahead, like and comment, but everybody needs to like and comment. We are excited because we're up, getting out of here, about to go and not run errands this time, y'all. We're here with mom, or rather she's here with us in Atlanta. We've been talking about the Nutcracker for a really long time now. We're headed there tomorrow actually, but today we have an eventful day. We're gonna go get pedicures and then we're gonna also go to lunch. We wanted to take mom to Paris Baguettes because while they do have one in Dallas, she hasn't been able to make it out to one. And so of course, when she sees us eating something or sees anything that we're doing on our channel, because she definitely supports, she's always like, oh, I would like to try that. And so we wanted to take her there. We're gonna go to lunch, gonna go get coffee and a croissant. Okay, a croissant. Then we're going to go, where are we going? I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? It was the third thing that we were gonna be doing too. But either way, we're gonna go and, oh, that's three things, yeah. Nail salon, lunch, and then the Paris Baguette. So me and Kim have already gotten our nails done. So this is what I'm looking like, okay? So I got S&S and yeah, they look so good. I thought that getting a French manicure, or French tips rather, would just look so classic with my look this weekend. And I pretty much love classic, chic, like looks anyways. Anything neutral, it's classic, it's chic. I just love that kind of stuff. And so that's what I got. I'm gonna just talk to y'all a little bit while I do some skincare. So this is what I've been using, y'all. This is the Bright Days Ahead Serum by Shea Moisture. I use this every day. Like, this is what I use for AM skincare. So I use this, and this is what has my skin bright. I think I've explained that before, but still, either way, it doesn't hurt at all to share again. Like vitamin C, it really does the skin well, but this really helps with evening my tone as well. So I'm trying to think, which one do I want to use? Now, usually I do this one, and I probably don't want to veer off the path, which is probably what begin us in a lot of trouble anyways. When you go on doing one thing and then you switch gears, it doesn't do well for your goals. It doesn't do well for what you've been doing. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. I usually use the serum at night, so yeah. So I'm gonna take 3 drops of, looking in the mirror, no, that was about probably 5 drops. So yeah, and I'm going to use this on my face only. I kind of have a different regimen for my neck now that I have products for my neck. I have a product by L'Occitane and a product by Strivectin, and they are only used on the neck. So I'm going to use those on my neck. So I'm just patting this into the skin because it really helps it to absorb more than just rubbing it into the skin. So you pat it into your skin, right? And then this is what I use for my under eye. Again, you guys who have been subscribed to our channel for a little while, you know already about me and under eye darkness. I appreciate all the suggestions, things like that, but if you just want to, waste your time, that's fine. But I'm actually gonna stick to what has been working for me. So, yeah, I have this product. It's a Korean skincare brand. It's called Belief, and they sell it in Sephora stores as well. I feel like they probably sell it in Ulta too. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what I've been using underneath my eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with my La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer with the SPF 30 in it. So you have to have a moisturizer, and you definitely need something that's going to help or do well rather to block sun. So you need a sunscreen. So this is also one of the reasons why I've not been rocking too heavily with eye creams and stuff like that, because as long as you are using SPF on dark spots on your face, things should kind of like, you know, at least it's not gonna progress. It's not gonna worsen, that's for sure. And that I can say, my under eye problem has not worsened. Honestly, it's gotten better. And so I use that underneath my eye. I don't go too far up by the waterline. I go up just enough to be able to get in that area. Oh, and y'all, remember this lip oil by Ulta? So I liked it because I love the scent. And I just like lip oils, period. But this mixed with the moisturizer, it really kind of like brings the white stuff, you know, that undesired white stuff we be having around the lips. So I only use a little bit of it, and I I really only use it at night. It is morning, but still doesn't matter. By the time I'm done doing all of what I'm doing, it will have like probably absorbed into my lips, and then I'm just gonna use the Fenty one. But I gotta get rid of this. I do it, and I'm not throwing it in the trash because here at home, white stuff don't matter. You just look in the mirror and you wipe it off. But in front of people, I don't want that. But it does the job. It moisturizes as well. So maybe if you don't mix it with this, like I like rubbing this on my lips as well, the moisturizer, because again, like the whole face needs to be protected. And so yeah, again, I know that that's what it is. It's me rubbing that on my lips and the mixture of this, and they just don't work well. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna continue getting ready and we will talk to y'all in a bit.
Y'all don't do that with everybody.
Sure don't. Not like it usually is.
No, not yet.
Say hi, Mom. Going to get food finally, y'all. We haven't eaten all day. We're about to enjoy this food.
Yeah.
I'm in a small Caesar salad, and then I'd also like the ragu. Hi guys, so we are headed out to go to breakfast with mom. We're going to Cracker Barrel and then we're going to run a couple errands. She wants to finish my flower arrangement on my dresser, and so we're going to go to Hobby Lobby.
And she wants to get a mirror.
And she wants to get a mirror as well, yes.
And hang it.
And hang it, oh gosh. And all before the Nutcracker. So guys, we'll tag you guys along with us. And this was supposed to be like a one-day vlog. Y'all just turned it into a 2-day. And I know y'all happy about that, so yeah. How was breakfast?
It's mid.
Mid.
As Gen Z says, it's mid.
So y'all, we're back at Hobby Lobby again, but this time with mama, because she wants to do my flower arrangement. And whenever our mom is in town, she can't help but to mess in our home affairs. But it's really a blessing because she knows that I wasn't gonna really touch it and do anything with it. So let me show y'all what she's doing.
I think 2 of these. Yeah, because those are tiny. The flowers themselves are Get her another one, Cindy.
Excuse me. Excuse me. If it's not here.
There's a silk, I think. So this is the one that Holly's on. It's floral.
So now mom wants to
Did you want some
look at
moss in the face?
no,
You want to see the
just
stem?
flowers. Yes.
You okay
Yes,
with seeing
mama.
the stem?
Yes, mama.
No, it's not inside. It's as we were getting on the airplane.
Guys, we're about to get some food. Y'all know I'm happy. We're at a place called Pastries. It's probably one of the oldest black-owned restaurants here in Atlanta. So, yeah, about to get food now. This is the end of our Atlanta trip with mommy. We are actually walking her into the airport. She's got a couple hours here with us, and then she's going to leave. But we're gonna go in and just sit with her for a couple of hours, and then we are going to go do our normal stuff, pack and get ready to go to Dallas to see her. Even at the airport, gotta get a good mirror pick. Somebody mentioned that in the comments. Oh yes, you gotta always get a good mirror moment. Yes, you do. So we just got back from taking mom to the airport. We're about to do our winter current favorites video. So the whole weekend was really great. The fact that our mom supports us the way that she does, it's just, it's so amazing. I mean, and that's really all that I can say. And that's all, like, that's major. It's amazing because you have so many parents who, they're not really as supportive. Both our parents support us, but because this is a vlog for mama, then but she's just been a really great mother, and I mean, just all the work that she does for us, with us, and all of that. Like, it's amazing to see it. It's amazing to experience it, and we're very blessed girls. She has been, a great support for us. She has loved us. Lord have mercy. I'm not a mother. I've never been, but I can only imagine what it takes to be a mother, and be a mother to two, even like from 2 to 10 personalities. There are mothers who have up to 10 children plus, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got to deal with all those personalities. You got to deal with all of those things that those kids go through. And mom only has 2, but still, it's beautiful to see her juggle her own individual life. If your mom is still alive, honor her, love her. If your parents are still alive, honor them and love them, no matter what, even if you didn't have a good relationship with them, still honor them. The Bible says that we are to honor our parents, and if we honor our parents, then the Lord will bless us with long life. And a lot of times, we be walking around here wondering, like, why my life like this? Why my life like that? And I'm realizing that even if your parent was not the best parent, you still have to do what it is that the word tells you to do. The word is a two-edged sword. It cuts going in and out. So it hits you, right? But then it hits the other person that it's for. So you don't worry about your parents who weren't good parents. Don't worry about them. The Lord has something for them as well. Pray for them. Ask God to have mercy on them, just like you need to ask God to have mercy on you too. And so it doesn't matter if you've had great parents or not. Still be the best that you can be unto God, to your parents. And watch the Lord bless you. That's what his words say. He'll bless you with long life. And just because you're obedient to him, period, he'll bless you. We love you guys so much. We appreciate all of what you guys have done for us by supporting, subscribing, liking, commenting. And if you don't mind, please subscribe if you're new here. Like and comment. And we love y'all so much. Peace.